Hello and welcome to another beautiful live session with me. The name is still Classic Forex, and we are here to simplify the complicated. If you just joined in, you're welcome. You're welcome. Very good morning to you all, guys. Start dropping your pairs in the comment section for us to begin with work immediately. Start dropping your pairs in the comment section for us to begin with work immediately as soon as possible. All right, start dropping them. Start dropping them and let's start work. Start dropping them and let's start work. Start dropping them. Alfred, how are you doing? Amesta FX, I see you, my bro. How are you doing, man? I see you. Guys, keep dropping your pairs. Today is Saturday. We are going to do a lot. Right? We are going to do a lot over here. Start dropping your pairs in the comment section, and I'll start with work. I'll start to work on them immediately as possible. All right. Okay, I'm seeing AUDUSD by Amexa FX. All right, so first pair has been mentioned in the comment section as AUDUSD, first pair on the list. AUDUSD, let's dive into it very quickly. Very quickly. AUDUSD. Guys, keep dropping your pairs. I will see them and I'll analyze for you. All right, so AUDUSD, we are starting the analysis on the monthly time frame. Let's begin. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame of AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD has structured itself very well on the monthly time. What do I mean by this? Let me explain. Now, if you look closely at the monthly time, what do you see? We have the monthly upper zone on top, the monthly middle zone, and then the monthly lower zone over here. What the price do on the monthly? Price managed to break below the monthly support level all the way to the downside with a push. After a push, what happened? You have seen what? Exhaustion. After exhaustion, what happens next? Continuation push all the way to the downside. So AUDUSD, we are going to see continuous sell pressure that will come in and push the market all the way to the downside after the retest here on the monthly middle zone. So AUDUSD, we are only looking for selling opportunities that will bring us all the way down to the next monthly support level. So how are we going to be able to pick sales to the monthly support level? Let's take it all the way to the weekly time frame for further understanding. Okay, so this is also the weekly time frame of AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD on the weekly time frame, let's put meaning into it as well. We have the weekly mid-range zone. What is price doing also on the weekly? On the weekly, we are seeing what? A very beautiful downtrend. Price gave us what? A push to the downside, which was what? A lower low. We saw what? Lower high, equal low again, and that equal lower high, and the sell pressure has come in, pushing the market all the way to the downside. So if you look closely, price has even formed an evening star candle confirmation, which is an indication that there's more sell pressure at the monthly resistance level over here to continuously push the market all the way to the downside. So the weekly time frame is also conforming to the direction of the market. Now let's take it again to the daily time frame and have a closer look as to what exactly is happening over here before entry comes into the downside on AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, let's take it further down to the daily time frame for more understanding. Okay, so this is also the daily time frame of AUDUSD. Now let's explain the daily. What is happening on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, we have the daily mid-range zone. Price was able to break above the daily mid-range zone or the daily resistance level over here to the upside with a push, which gave us what? A higher high. After higher high, we saw higher low, but price failed to continue the move to the upside. Instead, it broke below the daily support level to the downside, which makes it what? A push. Meaning that what? There's been a break of structure on the daily. So on the daily, initially price was in an uptrend, but it is now in an let me take it again, guys. All right, so initially on the daily time frame, price was what? In an uptrend. It gave us a higher high, higher low, but it failed to go up. Instead, it has broken below, giving us what? A downtrend, which is also supporting the overall direction of the market. So after a break to a downside or after a push, what happens next? An exhaustion before the next continuation push resetting all the way to a downside. So AUDUSD, I'm waiting for the retest of this what? Daily resistance level as lower high before we can sell all the way to the downside. Now let's take it all the way to a 4 time frame and then finish it up completely as well. All right, so onto the 4 time frame. Now this is the 4 time frame of AUDUSD. How are we going to be able to pick our entry to the downside? Remember, we are looking for the retest of this daily resistance as lower high before entry can come in all the way to the downside on AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, this is our full and complete technical analysis. This is what we are waiting for before we pick our sell all the way to the downside. So price needs to retest it as lower high before candle confirmation can come in, and then we will sell all the way to the downside on AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, this is my full and complete analysis. Let's go to the next pair in the comment section. Keep dropping your pairs, guys. Keep dropping your pairs in the comment section. I will see them and I will analyze for you. Keep dropping them. Keep dropping them. Okay, share the link to also your friends. So remember to share the link. Okay, I want to see more numbers here today. I want to see more numbers on the live today. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Next pair, I'm seeing GBPUSD by Moment Deck. Moment Deck is saying GBPUSD. Let's dive into GBPUSD as well. So GBPUSD, what is happening on this pair? Where is the direction going? And how can we pick entry into that direction? Let's take it from the monthly time frame as well. All right. So this is the monthly time frame of GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD on the monthly time frame, we have the monthly upper zone, the mid-range zone, and then the lower zone as well. Now on the monthly, price have seen buy pressure from the monthly lower zone or support level from here, pushing it all the way to the upside. Why is that what? Why is buy pressure pushing the market all the way to the upside? It is pushing it to the upside as retest of the middle zone as what? As lower high before price drops all the way to the downside. Why is it going to retest as lower high? Because sellers were able to break what? Below the support level or the resistance level over here of the what? The monthly, giving us what? A move to the downside, which was lower low. We are expecting lower high before price drops all the way to the downside. So GBPUSD, I'm expecting price to push to complete the lower high before what? It sells all the way to the downside. But let's look at how the other time frames are going to conform to this what? Structure here on the monthly. So let's go all the way to weekly and then continue with the analysis. All right. So this is the weekly time frame of GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD on the weekly time frame, we have the weekly mid-range zone. Price was initially in a downtrend, but it is now in an uptrend. Why? Let's explain. So we saw lower low, lower high, lower low again, and that lower high, but price failed to continue moving to the downside. Instead, it has given us what? A break above the weekly resistance level to the upside, making it what? A push after a push. What should happen next? A retest before continuation push sets in to retest the monthly as lower high. Now let's take it again to daily time frame and understand the structure over here very well before you can make a decision on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD onto the daily time frame. All right, so this is the daily time frame of GBPUSD. Let's put meaning into it very quickly. Now the daily time frame, we have our daily mid-range zone over here. What happened on the daily time frame? Price was able to break above this daily resistance level over here to the upside, giving us what?